All new Fire HD 8 Kids Edition Tablet, 8. Save up to $94.98 on a full-featured Fire HD 8 tablet, not a toy, 1 year of Amazon Free Time Unlimited, a kid-proofed case with built-in stand, and 2-year worry-free guarantee versus items purchased separately. 2-year worry-free guarantee, if it breaks, return it and we'll replace it for free. The included 1 year of Amazon Free Time Unlimited gives your kids access to over 20,000 apps, games, books, videos, Audible books, and educational content from PBS Kids, Nickelodeon, Disney, and more. Your subscription will then automatically renew every month starting at just $2.99 per month plus applicable tax. You may cancel at any time by visiting the Amazon Parent dashboard or contacting customer service. Over 20 million kids and their parents have enjoyed the award-winning Amazon Free Time service. Amazon Free Time parental controls allow you to set educational goals, create time limits, and filter content. Stream over Wi-Fi or view downloaded content on the go with 32 GB of internal storage and up to 12 hours of battery for reading, browsing the web, watching videos, and listening to music. Add a microSD card for up to 1 TB of additional storage. Now with USB-C for easier charging. Includes a USB-C cable and 5W power adapter in the box. Free Time Unlimited includes thousands of Spanish language books, videos, apps, games, and Audible books. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.